Maximize your online income with a creator funnel. So meet your all creator stores. In order to make money as a creator or solopreneur, you need a well-constructed creator funnel. A creator funnel is a simple journey that your online audience goes through, increasing the chance that they become a customer with each step. So back in 2019, when I was starting my online business without a funnel and saw relatively mediocre results, fast forward 5 years and my business has generated more than $8.5 million through an intentionally designed creator funnel. I want to share mine with the hope that it helps you in designing your own. So how does a funnel work? Get discovered, build trust, deepen the relationship, and it will lead to their dollars. A great creator funnel begins with getting discovered. In order to build a successful creator funnel, you must first get discovered. If nobody finds your thoughts or ideas, none of the other parts of the funnel matter. Learning to stand out online is part of modern marketing. The easiest way to get discovered is to create value where people are already consuming. There are generally four types of content that generally add value and therefore have positive results. What are these four? So this person teaches me, this person entertains me, this person makes me think, this person understands me. If you are still struggling to understand what it means to add value, here's a great explanation from Daniel Vassallo from his private community of small bets. So what he writes is that I found this very difficult to at first. My advice is go out there on the internet and try to help as many people as you can for free, no strings attached. Go where people already hang out, answer questions, build tools, share what you have, etc. Eventually, the add value part starts to become obvious. People will start asking you for more. They will tell you explicitly what you can do to add value. Once you understand the skill of creating value, you should distribute it to places where people are already consuming, like platforms like Twitter. LinkedIn is the easiest. YouTube, TikTok, Reddit, indie hackers, etc. I choose to publish two times daily on LinkedIn and Twitter, where I have done over 900 million impressions. After being discovered, building trust is critical. Once you have been discovered, it is important that you move your audience from thinking this person is familiar to this person is someone I trust. When I use the word trust, I mean the trust in your expertise, the trust that you know what you are doing in your field of choice and you are expert at that. To deepen that trust, use longer form content to show your expertise, newsletter, how-to guides, step-by-step videos. For my creator funnel, I move people from Twitter to LinkedIn and LinkedIn to my weekly newsletter. So my goal is twofold: show people how I think at a deeper level, that is creating the trust, and deplatform my closest followers to my email list and off social media. Remember, it's critical to own your audience, that is the email list, versus rent your audience, which is social media. It is controlled by the various platforms. Deep relationship take trust to the next level. Once trust is built, you can begin establishing true relationships. True relationships are about access, a behind-the-scenes glimpse at how someone thinks, acts, works, etc. It's much easier to invite someone into this phase of the funnel once they fully trust your expertise and knowledge. My relationship builder is my private community, 600 plus motivated creators on Slack, sharing best practices, doing monthly AMAs with me, and even in-person meetups in cities like New York, San Francisco, London, and Lisbon. They join to deepen the relationship with me and our other motivated members, all focused on a single goal, which is growing our business. Relationships are much easier to monetize. Think about the journey someone takes to join a community. They discover you, build trust through high quality content, invest in long-term relationship through the community. Once someone has come this far, they are highly likely to want more of what you create. This is where monetization is the easiest. Not only are these your closest follower, but they are also a captive audience. You can reach out directly via your community. No algorithm to beat, no open rates to worry about, no competition. Just a captive audience of likely buyers. This is where you can get creative. Offer up courses, cohort-based coaching programs, SaaS platforms, etc. Congratulations, you are ready to build your own creator funnel. TLDR, Solopreneurship Funnel in 2022. Discovery is via Twitter. Trust Builder is a newsletter, daily newsletter, regular newsletter. Relationship Builder is a community, and Automated Income Builder are the courses. So PS, if you postscript, if you like tips like these, consider my flagship course, The Creator MBA. 14 chapters and 111 lessons of instructional video that will teach you how to build a lean, profitable internet business, even if you are just starting or don't have any idea. Beat Schindler, in 1996, I decided not to be an employee and have been a solopreneur ever since. To unlearn and relearn, attend seminars with Jack Canfield, Tom Robbins, Dan Kennedy, Bill Glazer, Mike Doley, and Lisa Jaya, to name a few. Each is great to fabulous. Some even got me to exotic places like Hawaii, the Virgin Islands, California. On January 16, 2024, I enrolled in Justin Welch's CMBA, Creator MBA. Exceeding my expectations by miles was the best seminar I have ever experienced. What's more, from the comfort of my Swiss home, if my experience is anything to go by, exceeds, you won't regret paying for it. Just 4,000 plus internet entrepreneurs here. The Creator Masterclass is a behind the scenes look at how I built my business, a complete look back at what I did to grow my following to 1.5 million and my business to $150 million in the revenue at 90% margins. Start here.